Hi, I'm Cora. I'm a health coach in the health and wellness industry, and I give Divi a 5 out of 5. Before working with Divi, I was working with Live Edit. I was also trying out just the free part of WordPress, and I found both to be not very user-friendly. I couldn't really get the very professional look that I really wanted, and so that's when I tried to find something else to give me that more professional look. The reason why I chose to go with Divi was I took a look through the different layouts that they gave, and I really liked all of them, what they looked like, and I saw a little example video of how you can manage the layouts, and it looked like it was very user-friendly, so it looked like it would something that I could do myself, moving things to different places, but ultimately I really liked the layouts, and so I chose one of the layouts that I wanted. It was really quite simple to integrate Divi into my business. Once I purchased the layout, it was easy to figure out how to edit it to make my own words and pictures stand out. And if I ever had a question, there was an easy chat option so I could talk to their customer service reps and they could talk me through anything. So myself, I could really integrate it into how I needed it in my business, really quite simply. I would recommend Divi to anyone who's wanting to set up a business, or sorry, a website that they really want to look polished and professional. I'd also recommend it to anyone who maybe has never actually set up a website before or a blog before because it's so user-friendly. Also, because of their customer service system, you can chat with someone at any time and they will really nicely walk you through. So if you've never done a website before and if you really want to step up your business to look really professional and polished, I would definitely recommend going with Divi.